book of 1 Corinthians, chapter 14, verse 10. There are, it may be, so many kinds of voices in the world, and none of them is without signification. Jumping up to verse 8. For if the trumpet give an uncertain sound, who shall prepare himself to the battle? Now, in the time of uncertainty, such as these, there are so many types of voices in the world, distractions, psyops, things to draw you away from what's important and what's actually going on. So where is the battle? And where is the voice of the trumpet sounding the alarm of the battle? This is the book of Ezekiel, chapter 7, starting at verse 10. Behold, the day, behold, it is come. The morning is gone forth, the rod hath blossomed, pride has budded. Violence is risen up into a rod of wickedness. None of them shall remain, nor of the multitude, nor of any of theirs, neither shall there be wailing for them. We see so much violence going on in the streets of America and so much violence going on around the world right now. The time is come, the day draweth near. Let not the buyer rejoice, nor the seller mourn, for the wrath upon the multitude thereof. For the seller shall not return to that which is sold, although they were yet alive, for the vision is touching the whole multitude thereof, which shall not return. Neither shall any strengthen himself in the iniquity of this life. Yeah, so the scripture says, my thoughts are not your thoughts, and my ways are not your ways. We must take heed to the instruction and understand the mindset and the vibration that this world pushes off is contrary to that which the scriptures say we should be in. Verse 14, they have blown the trumpet, even to make all ready, but none goeth to the battle, for my wrath is upon all the multitude thereof. So some people are not hearing the trumpet, nor will ever take heed to the trumpet until it's too late. Verse 15, the sword is without, and the pestilence and the famine within. Wars and rumors of wars, nation against nation. He that is in the field shall die with the sword, and he that is in the city, famine and pestilence shall devour him. We've already seen pestilence already with this epidemic that has been going on around the world. Verse 16, but they that escape of them shall escape, and shall be on the mountains like doves of the valleys, all of them mourning, every one of his iniquity. So going back to what we discussed about the loosening of the seals and the understanding of the scriptures, what is this book contained? What is contained within these scriptures, or what is contained within these scriptures is not talking about in the contemporary church setting. This is the book of Ezekiel, chapter 2, verse 9. And when I looked, behold, an hand was sent upon me, and lo, a roll of a book was therein. And he spread it before me, and it was written within and without. And there was written therein lamentations, mourning, and woe. So yes, we're going into a different phase of society. There is a paradigm shift that is occurring, and your eyes have to be open to see what is actually taking place. But there are a select few who are described as the remnant. This is the book of Isaiah, chapter 10, verse 20. And it shall come to pass in that day that the remnant of Israel and such as are escaped of the house of Jacob shall no more again stay upon him that smote them, but shall stay upon the Lord, the Holy One of Israel, in truth. Verse 21, the remnant shall return, even the remnant of Jacob, unto the mighty God. Remember, freely receive, freely give.